In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change Haki color in C's Battlegrounds. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly change the color of your Haki and your moves. So when you use moves like Hawk Gatling, you will notice that there is this red and black effect. You can actually change the color of these effects. And to do this, you will need to spend Robux, so keep that in mind. You will only be able to access Haki customization if you purchase a specific game pass that they have available. So if you go over to the store and you scroll down, you will be able to find plenty of customization options. So you have extra emote slots, extra accessory slots, voice lines, and then at the bottom you have move color change. This is what you have to purchase to change your Haki color. So you will need to spend 299 Robux. If you purchase this, you will be able to change the color of your Haki. Sadly, I won't be able to showcase it in this video because I don't have the game pass, but when you go over to customization, besides titles and accessories, you will also see the option to customize the color, and you will be able to choose any color from a color gradient wheel. Once you select that color, every single move that you use in C's Battlegrounds is going to have the effect changed. So these colors here that would normally be red, you will be able to change them to whatever color you wish to use, and all of the other opponents and everyone else on the server is going to be able to see the new color that you are using. So all that you have to do is go over to the store, scroll down, and then purchase Move Color Change. You don't need anything else such as VIP, Private Server Plus, or Early Access as long as you purchase the Haki change from here. So open the store and you will be able to find it available for 299 Robux. Someone can also gift it to you, or you can gift it to them if you prefer. Just join the same server, choose the gift icon, and you will be able to get this done. But regardless, just make sure that you acquire the Move Color Change. I hope I was able to help you on how to change Haki color in C's Battlegrounds. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.